Good morning, children. Welcome to math class. Today we are going to see in Unit 1 numbers how to find square root of the given fractions. For any two positive numbers a and b, we have square root of ab equal to square root of a into square root of b. Square root of a by b equal to square root of a by square root of b, where b is not equal to 0. Exercise 1.4, 8th problem, 4th subdivision. We are asked to find square root of the fraction 144 by 225. Since we are going to find square root, put this fraction inside the square root symbol. 144 by 225. As we have already seen, root of a by b is equal to square root of a by square root of b. This can be written as square root of 144 by square root of 225. Find the square root for both numerator and denominator separately, either by using prime factorization method or by long division method. Since the number is small, I am going to use prime factorization method. First, you find the prime factors for the numerator 144. Since it is even, it is divisible by 2. 2 goes 72 times, and again since it is even, it is divisible by 2, and 2 goes 36 times in 72. Again it is even, so divide by 2. So 18 times it goes. Again divide by 2. 9 times it goes. But 9 is not even, but we know that the 9 is divisible by 3. Till you get 1, go on continuing this. Then move on to the denominator 225. Since this number ends with 5, we know that it is divisible by 5. And 5 goes 45 times in 225. Again the number ends with 5, so it is divisible by 5. 5 goes 9 times, and 9 is divisible by 3, and then 1. Now write the prime factors inside the square root. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Put it inside the root by 5 into 5 into 3 into 3. Put it inside the root. Now group the identical factors in pairs. In order to remove the square root symbol, you take 1 from each pair and write it in the next step. 2 into 2 into 3 by 5 into 3. Now multiply and find the answer. 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. 12 by 15. So root of 144 by 225 equal to 12 by 15. Answer: root of 144 by 225 equal to 12 by 15. Next problem, 5th subdivision. We are asked to find square root of 718 by 49. What type of fraction is this? This is mixed fraction. So first you convert this into improper fraction. You all know how to convert mixed fraction to improper fraction, but let me explain quickly. Seven 18 by 49. You multiply the whole number and the denominator and then add the numerator. 7 into 49 plus 18 by the denominator 49. So 7 into 49, 343 plus 18 by 49. So when you add, you get 361 by 49. So you write here, this is equal to 361 by 49. Since we are asked to find square root, take square root on both sides. Square root of 7, 18 by 49 equal to square root of 361 by 49. This can be written as square root of 361 by square root of 49. Now find the square root using prime factorization method. I tried with all the small prime numbers, but it is divisible only by 19. So when I divide this by 19, I get 19 again. So divide again by 19, 1. Now find the prime factors of the denominator 49. We know that it is divisible by 7. 7 sevens are 49. Again divide by 7, 1. Now write the prime factors inside the square root. 19 into 19 by root of 7 into 7. In order to remove this symbol, you take 1 from each group or from each pair. 19 by 7. So we found the answer, that is 19 by 7, but the question is given in mixed fraction form, so write the answer also in mixed fraction form. So divide 19 by 7, 2 times it goes 14, remainder 5. So it can be written as 2 5 by 7. So this is equal to 2 5 by 7. So square root of 18 by 49 equal to 2 5 by 7. Write the answer step. Root of 7, 18 by 49 equal to 2 5 by 7. Similar problems are given as homework. Find the square root for these two fractions.